EPCAD understands that we all move through the world differently. Some of us have different needs, and that holds true in the digital world. That's why our website includes an accessibility widget. This tool changes elements of our website to aid community members who might find the site difficult to use otherwise. These changes persist for your entire website visit, and the widget includes a login option to save your preferences. While the widget is primarily intended to aid those with disabilities, we encourage all website users to explore its functions and customize your experience. The widget has many useful tools. Here you can see the translation function. You also have the option to pause animations, which can help with slow internet speeds. And check out the page structure view to quickly find a link or other element on a page. The widget also includes a dictionary, which comes in handy for a site which includes tax terms that most people don't encounter very often. When the dictionary function is active, simply highlight a word, and the definition will pop up. No matter your ability, feel free to use the widget to improve your experience. Let's explore the options on the widget. On every page of the website, you can look to the bottom left-hand corner and see a circular button with a white human figure inside. Open the widget by clicking or tapping on the button, or by pressing Ctrl+U on your keyboard. Now we can see the accessibility options. Click the headings to expand each option. The first choice at the top of the page is the language settings. There are over 60 languages to choose from, but many people in our community will use the Spanish options. Scroll down to find them near the bottom of the list. Scroll and click Español, Mexico. Now the website and widget are translated. You can also search for a language by typing the name into the search bar. Here I'll change the language back to English. Click English, USA, and the page will be in English again. The next line is the accessibility profiles. These are predefined sets of accessibility features that are often useful to users with certain disabilities or conditions. Each is labeled as the disability or condition the profile is meant to aid with. When you click on a profile, the presets will automatically load onto the site. Here I activated the colorblind profile. You can see lower in the widget what features that profile activates and further change the settings to your personal preferences. Now I'll click Dyslexia, and you can see that the font has become dyslexia friendly. Here you can see the ADHD profile, which promotes focus. I'll condense the accessibility profiles now. Below the accessibility profiles, you can see the oversized widget option. This makes all the text and icons in the widget larger, making them easier to see and click. This can be toggled on and off with the corresponding switch. Then there are the individual options, which can be independently adjusted to optimize your experience. Some of the options have a few different settings. Try them out and see which one works best for you. For example, the text size. It can get big. Really big. This cursor also has multiple options. It can be made larger, or be replaced with a reading mask or reading guide. The highlight links option can also be useful. If you need to return the page to its default, you can click the lowest button to reset all the accessibility settings. You can also move or hide the widget if it gets in your way. At the bottom of the widget, there are 3 links. The first leads to information on how the appraisal district can accommodate disabled persons at our office. Here's that information. The next link is an option to report an issue with the widget. You can type your message here. The final link allows you to manage your profile and presets within the widget. You'll have to create a login if you want to maintain an accessibility profile. And that's everything there is to know about the accessibility widget. I hope that you utilize this tool to improve your experience of our website. Thank you for watching.